Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in this session we will understand express terms import pickup arranged by DHL. Okay, so in a plant or factory there is a need of the any machinery parts. So what is the procedure to import this part? Okay, so first we need to create the purchase order. Okay, so as per performa invoice received from the supplier side, we need to create the purchase order. Okay, in this purchase order, we need to mention the details of the machinery parts which we are going to import. Okay, so here supplier address, supplier contact details, Incoterms, payment terms, and the unit prices. All and also we need to mention the total value of the shipments. Okay, so once we create the purchase order, we need to share this purchase order with the supplier. Okay, so once supplier receive this purchase order, he prepare for the dispatch the goods. Okay, so first we accept this purchase order. Okay, and intimate about the goods ready. Okay, so the supplier receive the purchase order and intimate to the importer that at this time availability is the goods are ready. Okay, so as per given date by the supplier side, we will appoint the DHL for pick up this cargo. Okay, so after creating purchase order, we need to wait for some time until goods are ready to pack. Okay, and once supplier intimate to us that goods are ready, you can arrange the pickup. Okay, so what we will do, we will prepare the pickup request to DHL. Okay, so this is the request which is detail need to be filled in the Excel, which is format given by the DHL. So all the details need to be mentioned as per the purchase order and performa invoice. Okay, and this pickup request also need to mention the account number, DHL account number. Okay, then pin code of the supplier and pin code of the our factory. Okay, so this detail need to be updated in this pickup request. Okay, so once this pickup request sent to the DHL counter office will arrange the pickup. Okay, and he share the airway bill for checking all details in the airway bill copy. So DHL share the draft copy of the airway bill. So we need to check out all detail which is mentioned in the airway bill, like address of the supplier and address of the buyer, parts name, HSN, weight. Okay, contact details. This all the thing need to be checked out in the airway bill of the DHL. Okay, so once the cargo is picked up from the origin, DHL intimate to us as a importer that your cargo is going to landed on this port on this date. Okay, if you want to clear the shipment through DHL, we can do. If we want to amend this courier mode shipment into cargo mode, then we need to appoint the CHA. Okay, so once shipments arrive at the airport, before this arriving of this cargo at airport, this document shared by the supplier we need to share with our custom house agent. He will file the bill of entry and send the draft of the checklist to approve it. Okay, and after bill of entry generate, here DHL also file IGM in the Indian custom where this shipment is landed. Then we need to pay the custom duty and the delivery order charges of the DHL. Okay, after paying this duty, shipment will be out of charge from the custom. Okay, after that, our CHA will appoint the transporter who will pick up this cargo from airport to our factory where this goods need to be imported. Okay, so in this way, we can import the goods from overseas to India. Okay, so friends, in this session, we have tried to understand what is the pickup procedure in import case as a Incoterms exverse. How need to be arranged the pickup. So this shipment is exverse terms. So all the expenses will bear by the importer. Okay, so here we are the importer and we have to pay the all charges. The best thing is that DHL give the best pricing of the freight. Nobody can compete to DHL in this case. So anybody can import easily through DHL. Okay. So guys, we just are going to the session end here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.